Can you spray polycrylic by Minwax? Absolutely, you can get great results doing it. I've tried to follow the directions on the back here that call out to use a high quality synthetic bristle brush. It never turned out quite right. I wanted that perfect, glass smooth professional finish for my customers. And I'm able to get that using this product and by using this sprayer here. It's the Finish Max Super by HomeRite. I have a couple other videos on this, check them out. This is something that anyone can get a perfect professional result with. Don't hesitate to try to spray this, and you don't have to spend a fortune on a spray gun either. This one that I use is very inexpensive. Let me show you how it turned out on my latest project for a customer here. So this is what I just finished spraying here a couple hours ago. There's 3 coats on here. You do have to lightly sand. I use 220 between each coat. Blow it off and then wipe that off with some tack cloth. You get a glass smooth finish every single time. This product works really well, holds up really well. This is a noodle board that a customer will be putting on their stovetop. Definitely recommend Polycrylic by Minwax. Very easy to clean up, just soap and warm water. It's easy to clean your spray gun out as well, so definitely worth it.